Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Ford Expedition Platinum and I will show you how to use the voice commands. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2015 to 2017, so the ones after the facelift on a third generation. Now, before you can start using the voice commands, you will have to learn a couple of commands. You can find those in the main menu here under the help option. So you want to press the settings button here and then you want to press help. And then you have a voice command list. Select that. And here you can see all the commands. Or for example, if you select climate, then you have the list of all commands here. There's a bunch of different commands, so you just go through it and you can control pretty much anything on this car using the voice commands. This can be very handy, especially if you drive in a city in a high traffic. I will show you an example now.
Please say a command.
Climate.
Climate, say a command.
AC off.
AC off.
And that's it. As you can see, I turned the AC off using the voice command. So pretty much anything, including the climate, radio, audio, can be turned off or on using the commands. I will show you one more example now.
Please say a command.
Radio.
Radio, say a frequency or preset.
95.1.
Tuning to FM 95.1.
And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.